Gravity is a force that exists between all objects. The larger the object, the greater the force it has. Tides, or a tide, is a regular rise and fall of the surface of the ocean. Tides are due to the gravitational force of the sun and the moon on Earth. Moon's gravitational force on the Earth is stronger than the sun's because the moon is so much closer to the Earth. If you look at our diagram here, you see the sun, we've got the moon, here we have the Earth, and this is the ocean. Now, if you look, Moon's gravitational force is pulling the ocean water towards the moon. That's why we see this great big high tide over on this side closest to the moon. The moon's gravitational force is also pulling the Earth a little bit, up to about 55 centimeters, which really is negligible. However, it's enough to where it leaves water behind, making a high tide opposite this high tide. So the high tide closest to the moon is going to be a high tide, and the high tide opposite that is going to be a lower high tide. The low tides are going to be found on the sides. Again, moon's gravitational force pulls the ocean up towards the moon, giving us a high tide. The moon also pulls Earth up to about 55 centimeters, leaving water behind on the opposite side, creating another high tide.